Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Lethal Company Bigger Lobby not working. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. First thing that you'll need to do is to ensure everyone has the mod installed. So ensure all the players can have the installed mod for a seamless multiplayer experience. So to that, just download the Bigger Lobby mod from the official stores and then just open the Lethal Company mods folder in the extract the mod files. So after that, just verify the mod files are present and not corrupted. And then next, what you can do is to check mod dependencies and installation. So some mods require additional dependencies to function properly. So we just first need to identify the required dependencies for the Bigger Lobby mod and download and install each dependency into the game's directory as instructed. And then next, you can double check that all files are installed properly or correctly. And then next, what you can do is to use a mod manager. So mod managers simplify mod installation and management. So download and install all the Thunderstorm mod manager to handle your mods. So to do that, just open your mod manager and search for the Bigger Lobby mod and just install the mod from there. And then lastly, what you can do is to ensure mod compatibility with the game version. So mods can often become outdated when a game updates. So just check the current version of the Little Company and compare it to the supported version of the Bigger Lobby mod. And then just update the mod or the game to ensure compatibility. And so that's it for this video. And those are some fixes that you need to do to fix the Little Company Bigger Lobby not working on your Little Company. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.